Hello friends, welcome to my channel Satwara Dinesh. Today we are going to study about honeycombing. What is honeycombing? Honeycombing refers to voids, hollow space and cavity in concrete mass which is caused by the mortar properly not filling the space between the coarse aggregate particle. We show the picture here how honeycombing occurs. This is two picture. In one picture we show clearly the gap between aggregate particle not filling properly by mortar, so the honeycombing occurs. In second picture we can see the gap between the aggregate particle or steel not filling properly by mortar, so the steel show outside the surface. Then types of honeycombing. There are three types of honeycombing. First is small size honeycombing. In small size honeycombing, depth of the honeycombing is less than 25 mm. We can see here in this picture. Then moderate size of honeycombing. In moderate size of honeycombing, the depth is deeper than 25 mm, but the steel bar not exposed. Here we seen the depth is deeper than 25 mm, but steel bar not exposed. In third type, honeycombing is larger size. In third type, the depth is deeper than 25 mm, but also a bar seen outside. We see here in this picture. Then cases for honeycombing. First case is poor workability. Workability might be less because of low water content, finer cement particle and high temperature. Due to low water content, workability is poor, and finer cement particle absorb more water. High temperature also absorb water from the concrete, so workability is getting poor. Then second is improper compaction due to ineffective vibration. The purpose of compacting the concrete by vibration is the elimination of the entrapped air and forcing the particle into closer configuration that will definitely build the more strength. Our vibration would make concrete segregated, and under vibration make the honeycombing. So the poor concrete compaction occur due to ineffective vibration. Third is improper cover and placement of rebar. In improper cover due to less size of cover blocks or use less cover block. When number of cover blocks to rebar is less or size of the cover block is not sufficient, the honeycombing might be occurs. And second is placement of rebar due to rebar congestion. If the rebar is placed too close together for too close to formwork, it will trap the larger pieces of aggregate, while the mortar in the mixture may not pass through and interface with concrete flow and vibration. Third is movement of formwork. Loose joint of formwork. Movement of formwork due to loose joint. When the joint of the formwork are loose, there can be leakage of grout throughout the joint and honeycombing occurs. Fifth is poor grading of aggregate due to using bigger size of aggregate. Presence of more percentage of bigger size of aggregate in concrete prevent concrete to fill narrow space between reinforcement rod. Voids occur because aggregate is too large to pass through and a condensed area of reinforcement. 6 is grout leak. Grout leak due to loose formwork. When joints of the formwork are loose, there can be leakage of the grout through joint. Honeycombing occurs. Increasing water content also resulting in bleeding. Cement slurry grout will escape through the joint of the formwork. Then next, where can we find the honeycombing? We can find honeycombing in walls, footings, columns, slabs and beams. Here we show the picture clearly. In wall, these types of honeycombing occurs: wall, footing, column, slab, beam. In next video we show the how to prevent this honeycombing. So in this video, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Er. Sathwara Dinesh.